A peek at instant noodles under the microscope. What are we actually eating? Chapter 1. Playing Detective. Examining the ingredients of Indomie instant noodles. What do our favorite foods look like when dissected down to the molecular level? Beneath the springy texture of your favorite instant noodles lies a strange world. Today, we're playing science detective. We'll dissect the composition of Indomie, examine every peculiar fragment under the lens, and answer the most important question: is it actually safe? Ready your microscope of imagination. Here is a scientific investigation into instant noodles, from their translucent edges to those perfectly round droplets of oil. Chapter 2. The cause of the yellow color. Why are instant noodles always bright yellow? Is it from eggs? Actually, no. This golden hue comes from tartrazine CI19140, a synthetic azo dye. Scientifically, tartrazine offers excellent color stability against heat and light. What about the other ingredients? Wheat flour forms the gluten backbone that provides chewiness. Palm oil makes the noodles crispy when fried. Tapioca acts as a natural binder. Salt, phosphate stabilizers, and acidity regulators work together in a chemical symphony to create a texture that holds up without disintegrating during boiling. There is even iron, deliberately added to combat anemia. Chapter 3. Weirdness on the edges and black spots. When observing the edge of the noodle under a microscope, a clear white layer becomes visible, as seen in the video at the 0.25 mark. This phenomenon is known as starch gelatinization. During high-temperature frying, the thinner edges lose moisture more rapidly, causing the starch granules there to melt and form a glass-like, transparent layer. Next, we observe some rare, dark reddish-orange flecks, only one or two, as shown at the 134 mark. These are not hazardous chemicals. Rather, they are microscopic fragments of natural spices, such as chili skin or shallot extract, that fail to dissolve completely during the dough mixing process. Most startling is the sudden shift in color from yellow to black or dark gray in certain areas, as seen at the 139 mark. Rest assured, this is neither mold nor toxin. It is an optical artifact. The microscope illuminates the sample from below, and when the noodle surface is uneven, light is refracted, creating dark shadows that do not exist in reality. It is simply a trick of physics, not contamination. Chapter 4. Patrolling the water world. At the 0.31 mark in the video, we mix the instant noodles with clean water. Thousands of tiny, micro-sized flakes break loose. These are granules of vegetable fat and free starch that aren't tightly bound by gluten. Once they come into contact with water, surface tension causes them to detach. You will also notice small, light brown flakes. These are a factory bonus. Powdered spices mixed directly into the noodle dough, rather than just in the seasoning packet. As the noodles expand, these spice particles emerge from the noodle's pores. And if you look at the 337 mark, you'll see tiny, perfectly round, translucent white spheres. These are emulsified vegetable oil. Chapter 5. Hard texture becomes swelling. Why are the noodles hard in the package, yet they expand and swell after being steeped in hot water? The answer lies in the concept of hydrophilicity. The starch in the noodles consists of molecules that have a strong affinity for water. When hot water is introduced, the starch molecules break their internal hydrogen bonds and absorb as many water molecules as possible. Under a microscope, you would see the diameter of the starch granules double in size. This process is known as swelling, as shown at the 103 mark in the video. The noodles are neither dead nor rotten. They are simply rehydrating and returning to their original form. Chapter 6. Is it safe? Who should avoid it? Are these ingredients safe? According to BPOM and WHO, yes, provided they are consumed in reasonable amounts. TBHQ is a potent antioxidant that prevents oil from going rancid. Tartrazine also has an acceptable daily intake, ADI, of 7.5 milligrams per kg of body weight. However, excessive consumption has significant health consequences. The sodium content in a single package can reach 70% of your daily requirement, which triggers hypertension. Its saturated fat content raises bad cholesterol levels, and its high glycemic index is detrimental for those with diabetes. Individuals who must avoid or strictly limit consumption include those with hypertension and kidney failure due to high salt/phosphate levels, coronary heart disease due to trans fats and sodium, diabetes, as simple carbohydrates cause blood sugar spikes, gout. Some studies link instant noodles to increased purine levels, and celiac disease or gluten intolerance due to wheat flour. Chapter 7. Instant noodles, a smart food product. Instant noodles are not chemical monsters. Every color, firm texture, loose flake, and bead of oil is tangible proof of physics and chemistry at work. What determines whether they are healthy or not isn't the noodles themselves, but rather how often and how much we eat. Thanks for being such smart viewers today. If you're curious about other foods, let us know in the comments. See you in the next experiment. Science is never scary if we take the time to understand it.